challenge! I wonder what's under here. Oh, a whole plate of mini marshmallows. I want to try it. Looks incredibly delicious. It will taste even better with chocolate. Wait, it stinks. Brittany, what's there? Let's see. Ew! I have stinky cheese with mold.
Ew.
Oh, that's where the smell is coming from. An idea. I'll just plug my nose. What a nightmare! Well, I really don't want to do it. You need to take a bite. Oh, wait! We can put on protective glasses and rubber gloves. A clothespin on my nose, and we can eat it! Dipping cheese into the chocolate fountain. There is lots of chocolate. Ugh, now we take a bite. Oh, what a disgusting thing!
Ew.
It's horrible! Ah. Ew, it even looks bad. I'm going to finish it. Oh, what a horror! I need to pull myself together. Oh, that's it! I'll never eat this again. It's your turn, Julie. Yeah, let's try it. We take one marshmallow and dip it in chocolate. Oh no! It fell down. I got an idea. I'll put chocolate in this glass mug. Oh yeah. And now sprinkling marshmallows on top. Let's see. Whoa, it's really good. You have a chocolate mustache. I'll be the first one. Ew, I have shrimps. That's disgusting. Brittany, what about you? Please. Oh no! Terribly sour lemons. Don't worry, Brittany. Let me start. What? I definitely need to shoot this. Are you serious? Okay, dipping it in chocolate. Oh, it looks disgusting even with chocolate. Oh, this is absolutely horrible. These chocolate-covered shrimps are absolutely bad. Ew. They're making me sick. Ugh, I'll never eat this again. Julie, you're so funny. Take a look at yourself. It's very funny. Hey! Shame on you. And start eating lemons.
Oh my god.
Julie doesn't know how to laugh at herself. Well, let's try chocolate-covered lemons. I hope it will be delicious. Oh, I think it's gonna be sour, actually. Ew! How disgusting! Oh, my whole face is cramping! More! Lemons are so bad! Chocolate did not help. To be honest, that's funny. Let's choose who'll be the first one. You're gonna milk me! Oh! I have a skewer with marmalade ice! Looks delicious. What do you have? Oh, it's fish! Oh, it stinks terribly. Brittany, you start first. Okay. My dish is really delicious. Dipping a skewer with marmalade ice in chocolate. Oh, it's beautiful! Trying it? Delicious! I really like it! Yum, yum, yum! All done! Julie, your turn! Really? But I don't want to. It's raw fish and stinks so bad. Yeah, it smells terrible, but I have an idea. I'll put on a gas mask. Come on! Let me think. Oh. No. I've got an idea! Here's my fishing rod. I won't have to use my hands because it smells terrible. Okay, dipping it in chocolate. But now I have to eat it. Oh, it's so disgusting. Ew. And I still have a whole plate of fish.
Let's go!
Come on, Julie, come on. Okay, Let's try again. Here's some fish. Oh, it smells so horrible. How can I eat so many stinky fish? Well, let's take a bite. Oh, it's terribly bad. I must finish it as soon as possible. Come on, you can do it! Well, I will start. Wow, donuts! I love them. It's like bunny ears. Let's see what I have.
Oh! What?
What? Broccoli? Brittany, start first. Okay, let's try it. These donuts should be really delicious, and chocolate will make them even better. Awesome! Wow! Incredibly yummy! I really like it! I want to eat everything as soon as possible. Well, I have another donut. It's making my mouth water. Yeah, I can just lick my fingers. Julie, what are you waiting for? Go! Okay, let's try it. What if broccoli with chocolate is a really good combination? I haven't tried it. Although, I still don't believe it. There's lots of chocolate. Ew. It's still horrible. Julie, it doesn't look good at all. I know! It doesn't taste good either. But I ate everything. Oh no! My tummy! Oh, that was bad. Ooh, I hope everything is okay. Let's open it on 3. Oh, yes! I have Oreos. And I have red pepper. It's so spicy. Well, I'm glad to be the first one. I hope it will be mega delicious. Here's my Oreo covered in chocolate. And it tastes awesome. Let's dip more Oreos in chocolate. And now, time to eat it. Oh, an idea. Julie, cheer out! Hey! No, that's all for me. Brittany, get away! Chocolate-covered Oreos are mine. And you get to eat red pepper. Bye-bye, friend. Oh, Julie's so greedy. Okay, it's my turn. I have a huge red pepper. It's very spicy. I'm sure of it. Let's see what I can do. An idea. I'll just lick off the chocolate. Done! Brittany, that won't work. You have to bite it. Oh, but it's so spicy. Okay, I'll try. Brittany, you need to pull yourself together and try it. Oh, that's disgusting. Horrible peppers. Oh no, I'm starting to feel some fire. Oh, Brittany, I need to put on my glasses. There's fire out of my mouth. Oh, I need to drink some chocolate. Oh, I feel much better. Whoa, what's wrong with you? Everything is fine. You're very funny, those glasses. Julie, I'm here. Can I be the first one? Julie! Well, I'll open it. Wow! Hubba Bubba Gum! Julie, what do you have? Pay attention to me! Oh no! I have stinky onions! Brittany, go first. I'm only glad to. Let's try it. We take gum out of the package. And straight into the chocolate fountain. Wow! My gum is completely covered in chocolate. And it's yummy. I like it so much. Now I can inflate a huge bubble. Wow! It's chocolatey! Julie, look at this! An idea came to me. This bubble needs to be burst. Then she'll be covered in gum. Oh, it's so funny! Oh no! I had gum all over my face! Eat your onion, Julie! Okay. Let's try it. It looks terrible and it stinks. Dipping it in chocolate?
Hey, you!
Well,
Okay.
chocolate is good. Maybe this combination will be good too. Ugh, no, it does not taste good anyway. Ew, that's disgusting. Did you manage to eat all this?
Oh my god.
Oh, wow. Onion wants to say hi to you. Sorry. Stop it! It stinks! Let me throw you some gum. Wow, delicious.
Cool.
Thank you, Brittany. Now let's inflate bubbles. That's great. Can I be the first one?
Oh my god.
What? Raw eggs? But they're disgusting. Okay, let's see what I have. Whoa! Oh, yes! I got macaroons! I love them. Let's try them with chocolate. Looks delicious. Oh, I really like it. Yum! I would want to try this too. No way. This is for me. Ooh! I got an idea. I want to draw faces on macaroons. Just look at how funny it looks. One macaroon winks. Another macaroon is cool with glasses. Awesome! And this one sends you kisses. It's incredibly delicious. Well, it's Brittany's turn.
Let's go.
Okay. Let's try it. How do I eat it? I have an idea. I'll put my raw eggs in a shaker and make a chocolate egg shake. Maybe it will be delicious. I've never tried it before. Now pouring some chocolate into the shaker and mixing everything up. Pouring it into a glass. Every last drop counts. Inserting a straw and trying it. Ew, it doesn't taste good. Julie, try it. It's great. I'd love to. Ew, that's disgusting. You tricked me. Brittany, I'm upset with you. Guys! First of all, I want French fries. Of course.
Easy.
I'll make that too. First of all, I need potato. I think this one will be perfect. By the way, I have a gadget for peeling vegetables. Check it out. And we're not even gonna make our hands dirty. Now, time to cut it. Awesome!
Wow. Oh!
Cool.
Grandma doesn't have gadgets, but I can handle this task. Eating fried potatoes is bad for you. I'd better cook a sweet vegetable treat for my granddaughter. These veggies are very fresh and fragrant. I'm sure she will like it. Whoa!
Take care!
Wednesday's experimenting with food again.
Cool.
Don't panic. I just peel the potatoes the way I know how. Fast and fun.
Isn't it dangerous? Oh, it's better to do everything carefully, so as not to hurt your fingers. Enid, your gadget worked perfectly here. Now, we're gonna make a branded logo. How about that? Beautiful! Here are my carrots. Oh, Wednesday!
I also need to cut my potatoes.
Wednesday, no need to use a saw!
I'm done. Now, it's time to give my dish the right color. I'll add a couple of black rose petals and cast a spell. The potatoes turned black. And my potatoes look like they're having a party. Wow! Let's use some colorful spray. I will have rainbow French fries for the baby. How cool and cute it turned out. Now, let's pour ketchup into a heart shape.
Beautiful! Oh, Wednesday, your potatoes are like holes.
You think so? Then, I will build a black Dracula castle. It's going to be incredibly beautiful. Mesmerizing.
Oh my!
How original!
Thanks. And here's the bloody ketchup. No need for applause. Enjoy your meal. Wow! I want a rainbow. It's so beautiful. I hope it's also delicious. Wow! Incredible! Look at my tongue.
Cool.
I like it. Well, moving on.
Okay.
It looks more like carrots. Oh, definitely carrots. Well, it's so, Grandma. Sorry. Moving on. Wow! I've never seen a French fries castle before. It's fantastic. I'll eat it with pleasure. This is amazing! And ketchup fits perfectly. Well, the winner is Wednesday! Oh, yes. Stop it. Please, make me a burger.
Of course, honey.
Okay. Great assignment. Ordinary buns are boring. It's better to take bright black ones and make a burger like a monster. Cutting it in half, putting salad, some ketchup, of course. Tomato juice and ketchup, it's so similar to blood. Yes, don't worry, Grandma. I do feel like a vampire, though. Well, moving on. I need to fry a cutlet. It's like stone. I know. I'm going to need dynamite. They're actually scared. Well, time for a little explosion.
Wednesday, you scared us!
I'm sorry. I had to fry a cutlet. Yep, perfect.
Yes.
Now, I'm going to make teeth out of cheese. Nice. And my favorite hot pepper. It will make great ears. Thing? Yes, perfect.
Thanks.
That's exactly what I was missing. My burger is ready.
Wow!
Whoa!
Yes.
What should I make a burger out of?
Okay.
Oh, thank you, Grandma. That's so horrible. It's disgusting.
What?
Everything is great.
Well done!
Wow, marshmallows. That's exactly what I need. Let's put a marshmallow into the microwave. It will double in size.
Oh my!
Hooray! Check it out! Oh, how hot it is! Thank you for the support, Grandma. I love you too. Now we need to cut it into 2 pieces. Next goes the Nutella. It's also pink, my favorite color. Moving on. Blue chocolate. This is awesome. My mouth is already watering. Adding some rainbow marmalade. Wow! And the second bun. I just love Skittles. You know what? We will have a cute unicorn. Do you like it? Oh, my unicorn box. Everything is perfect.
Cool. Duh.
Oh, Wednesday, you've got a monster. Okay, I'm going to make a burger out of this beautiful meat. Let's fry it in a frying pan. Next comes mayonnaise. Oh, and there's even a chicken. Moving on, salad, tomatoes. They're super fresh. Oh, this patty. My granddaughter is gonna be so happy. Some cheese, some ketchup. I gotta be careful. Well, my burger is ready. I'm going to put it in my branded box. Everything is done with love.
Hooray! Whoa! What kind of monster is this? Does it bite? No, I'm not going to eat such a scary burger. I'd rather enjoy the sweet burger from Enid. Wow! That's great! I love it! Incredible, Enid! Moving on! Only Grandma cooked for me what I asked for! It's so yummy! You're the winner, Grandma!
Oh, yes!
And now, please make me a milkshake.
Oh, yes!
It'll be done. You've come to the right place. Let's see. I'll need a special gadget for milk and ice cream. Pouring it in. Ooh, check it out. Oh, it's so frozen. Oops. Well, the scoop is a little dirty now. But no one seems to have noticed it. Wow. Awesome. Closing the lid and blending it. Now I'm gonna decorate my glass. We're gonna need sweet sprinkles. And… wait a minute. I need to glue it somehow.
Okay.
This'll do. Rolling it around. And pouring my milkshake in. Some Nerds candy. Granny. Okay, I won't just eat it. Even though they're so good. Mixing it well. And, of course, whipped cream on top. I absolutely love it. Let's add some decorations. I've got a cute unicorn now. I am done. Thank you, Grandma. What about you?
Oh, you're right. I forgot about my cocktail. We need milk and chocolate ice cream. Then I will add a chocolate bar. My granddaughter will be happy. Are you all ready? Take care. Grandma will whip up everything. Oh, I'm tired.
Poor Grandma. Wait, I have a blender for you. Here you go, Grandma.
Oh, thanks, honey. We need to put everything in there. Pouring it in and turning it on. Oh, it's a little powerful.
Cool.
Well, everything seems to be ready. Where's the whipped cream? Enid, I really need this, sweetie. Look, what's in there? Better. Don't be greedy, kid. And let's grate some chocolate right on top. It's much better this way.
I prefer green pistachio ice cream. Look at this color. I won't need a blender. Actually, I have my own. Where is it?
There we go.
Stunning. Everything is ready. Here's my glass that looks like a skull. Pouring strawberry syrup onto it. Oh, it's giving me the right vibe. Thing, bring me some whipped cream. Nice. Oh! It's so ticklish! Oh! I can't! Oh! Thing, good job. Let's pour it right on top. Yes. I love different colors, and I love eyes. Well, okay, gummy eyes. And here are the rest of the details for my little monster. Done. Wow! Who is this creature? What a delicious and funny drink! I like it! And there are even gummies here! Wow! Thank you, Wednesday! No worries. Ooh, I recognize the unicorn from Enid! Awesome! I love it! Wait, what's in my mouth? Whose hair is that? Jeez, how disgusting! I can't drink such a smoothie! What about this chocolate milkshake? Yum! Who should I choose? Grandma wins!
Me? Hooray! Oh, I'm happy.